Hey guys, Mark back here with you again. A little bit different video today, nothing really to do with the outdoors. This is just out for a little bit of a road trip today to get out of camp here. I'm in up in what's called Primrose County at the up on the 410 there, up on Highway 10, just outside of Brampton, outside of Orangeville. Orangeville's just back that way there, and then if you turn left there, that takes you up to community of Shelburne and Owen Sound. Just here now, I'd stop here because I'm gonna zoom out for you. I didn't realize I was zoomed in. Sorry, boss. I just stopped here. It's a pizza vending machine, pizzaforno. I don't know if anybody's familiar with it. Oop, my pizza is ready. But yeah, it's a pizza vending machine. I heard about this a couple years ago watching Ken Dominic's channel there. Anybody that's familiar with him with KBD TV Productions. But he stopped at one. And so ever since then I've been wanting to try it out, and I found out earlier the year that there was one up here. So I decided to come up and try it today. I got the Meat Lovers Pizza there now. It was comes hot and ready for it's $14 plus tax. So I think it was like $15.75. Comes hot and ready. Or $13 if you want it cold. They do charge tax. That's all the different flavors you can get. They got Meat Lovers, Hawaiian, veg, 4-cheese blend, vegetarian, honey and goat cheese, barbecue chicken, pepperoni. I'm just going to sit in the car here now and have my lunch. I figure I'd take you guys along on this for anybody not too familiar with it. Never seen a pizzaforno machine before, or something. Like I say, it's not something we got down home in Newfoundland. I think it's pretty cool. A nice way to get a hot and fresh pizza if you're out on a road trip. The funny part about this one, though, it's actually right next door to a burger joint, which is really funny. Because it's like, don't have the burgers, go get their pizza. Ooh, this looks nice. Don't that look nice? That looks nice. That looks delicious. Like, I don't know, I guess about 10-12 inch pizza. Yeah, probably 10 inch. I guess a little bit smaller than a Delicio. But yeah, it's all done up right nice, hot and fresh in the machine there. I guess, like I said, they got frozen dough or whatever. Now there's no, it only did, okay. This boy comes on a little cardboard tray and everything. Now the downside of this is not cut. So, give me a minute there, guys. I gotta haul out the knife and cut this pizza, and I'll be back with you in a second and let you know what it tastes like. Alright, guys. Just cut it up there. Advantage of keeping a knife on you all the time. Here's the Meat Lovers. Got pepperoni, bacon, ground beef, and sausage. So, you know, your typical Meat Lovers pizza. Folds up nice, cooked down the bottom pretty decent. Not bad. It's thin crust. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go hands-free here for a minute. Actually, I can't. I don't know if I can. I'm gonna try. If I lose you, I'll be back. Okay. I'm gonna go hands-free. What do you eat? But Yeah, it's good pizza. A little doughy, but I mean, for something that came out of a vending machine, it's not too bad. Sad part is, it's come out of a vending machine, and it's got a nicer taste to it than some of the friggin' pizza joints I've had in Mississauga. That's sad. That a vending machine pizza is better than friggin' like franchise pizza. Like actual brick and mortar pizza. That's funny. But yeah, this is apparently they got, I don't know how many of these they got in Canada. They got, I think, I don't know how many. They got a bunch of locations throughout Ontario. They got one here. Like I said, this is in Primrose County. Top of the 410. Just outside of Orangeville and the town of Mono. Then there's another one, I believe, in the Muskoka region. And then there's one up north, I think, around Sudbury or something. A buddy of mine went there a couple years ago. He was traveling home from out west, and he was driving through northern Quebec or northern Ontario, and he stopped and had some there on his way home, Newfoundland. But yeah, there's a bunch more. I think there's more in the States and stuff. It's a cool little concept, though. Like I say, a nice way to get a hot and fresh pizza if you're out on a road trip. There's no pizza spot around, or you just need something to keep the youngsters friggin' quiet and happy for a little while. A little bit of a aftertaste, but I use my knife, like my belt knife, to cut it. Could be a little bit of oil on that knife that rubbed off on the pizza, who knows. But anyway, enough of seeing me eat. I'll just change the camera direction around, guys. But oh. Just gonna move there now. A bunch of people showing up, so I get out parking lot. I don't think I can get out here. Oh, yeah, I can. Okay. Go back, go down the road. I think I'm gonna head up towards Shelburne. And no, not Nova Scotia. I'm still in Ontario. Beautiful day here, though. Started off cloudy, turned really nice. Cold, -3, but beautiful sunny day. So anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. I don't want to have this video turned into like a 10-hour video. And like I said, it's only me driving. And I'm sure you guys don't want to watch a video of me just driving up the highway. So, anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you that pizzaforno and stuff. Like I say, it's a cool little concept. If you're ever in Ontario, in around the Mississauga region, you get a chance, check it out. like I say, it's worth the $15 just to try it, just to say you had pizza from a vending machine. I think that's the biggest reason I tried it. It's a pretty cool concept. Alright guys, have a good day. Talk to you later.